Should you use Windex for all glass and mirror cleaning, or are there better alternatives? Windex can work well on ordinary glass, but it is not always the best choice, especially for delicate coatings or mirrors with special backings. For everyday glass windows and tabletops, mix 1 part white vinegar with 3 parts plain water in a spray bottle. Spray lightly, and wipe with a clean microfiber cloth using overlapping vertical strokes, then flip the cloth to a dry side and buff in circular motions for a streak-free finish. For mirrors and any glass with an anti-reflective or low emissivity coating, avoid ammonia-based cleaners because they can degrade coatings over time. Instead, use plain water applied with a lint-free microfiber and immediately buff dry to prevent water spots. For heavily soiled or greasy glass, use a small amount of a gentle dishwashing liquid diluted in water, rinse with plain water, and dry with a microfiber towel to remove residue. Use a squeegee for large panes and start at the top, pull in straight strokes, and wipe the blade with a clean cloth between passes to prevent streaks. For painted, wooden, or metal frames, protect the finish by masking the glass edge with a cloth during cleaning and avoid letting solution pool on the frame. Common issues include streaking from too much cleaner, which you fix by using less solution and always buffing dry with a clean microfiber. Residue buildup from soap or polish that you remove with a plain water rinse and repeat drying passes. And damage to coated glass or mirror backing from ammonia-based or abrasive products, which you prevent by choosing water or vinegar-based cleaners and avoiding scrubbing with abrasive pads. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse project ideas related to cleaning and maintenance. We provide a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and help contractors and homeowners connect for real-world projects.